Welcome back to Fun Facts Unleashed, the place where learning, laughter, and life hacks grow together. Today we're talking about a green, leafy hero of the kitchen, fresh herbs, basil, parsley, cilantro. You love adding them to your meals, but let's be honest, they always seem to wilt faster than you can say chimichurri. Here's the problem. Fresh herbs are delicate. Left in the fridge or on the counter, they dry out, turn brown, or get slimy. But don't worry. We've got simple, fun hacks to keep your herbs fresh and happy for longer. First up is the water jar trick. Treat your herbs like fresh flowers. Trim the ends of your stems, place them in a jar with a little water, and cover loosely with a plastic bag. Pop them in the fridge. Voila! Herbs can last up to 2 weeks. Imagine cilantro or parsley staying vibrant for days instead of wilting overnight. For softer herbs like basil, here's a tip. Store at room temperature, not in the fridge. Some herbs actually prefer a little warmth and sunlight. Keep them in a glass of water on your counter, and they'll stay fresher longer. Bonus, it doubles as cute kitchen decor. Another hack is freezing herbs. Chop them up, put in ice cube trays with a bit of olive oil or water, and freeze. When cooking, just pop a cube into your pan. Instant flavor boost. You can even freeze whole leaves if you want a garnish that's ready whenever you are. This hack is perfect for those of us who love cooking but hate throwing away wilted herbs. Here's some science. Herbs wilt because they lose water through their leaves. By giving them a small hydration bath or storing them properly, you slow down this process. It's like giving your herbs a spa day. Fun question for you. Which herb do you always wish lasted longer? Basil, cilantro, rosemary, or maybe something exotic like tarragon? Comment below. We love to see your kitchen favorites. And a bonus tip, wrap delicate herbs in a slightly damp paper towel before putting them in a sealed bag in the fridge. It creates the perfect little humidity bubble, keeping them crisp and flavorful for days. Your future self and your meals will thank you. Thanks for hanging out with Fun Facts Unleashed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another fun, surprising, or surprisingly useful life hack. Here, as a challenge, try storing 3 different herbs using 3 different methods and see which one lasts the longest. Share your results in the comments. May the freshest herb win.